That's important to know when you're thinking about rolling money from an employer-sponsored plan to an annuity, to an IRA with the annuity inside of it. It absolutely can be done. It's done every day, and I am an expert in it. So hey, John Stevenson here, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. I'm actually out at a cabin out in the woods south of Lake Tahoe. Drove out here in my truck and wanted to kind of take you along with me because I enjoy off-roading. I enjoy being out in the woods. There's an active mining claim out here. I think they're looking for silver. I don't know if they'll find anything, but there was a mine out here at one point that brought in quite a bit of money. Anyways, I wanted to talk about 401k money rollover to IRA. I've done a number of videos on this, but I want to talk to you about a specific experience I had with a gentleman just 2 days ago. We were rolling money over from two 401k plans. They were old 401k providers. Okay, they weren't current ones. Now, you can roll from a current 401k provider if you'd like, but you have to be over 59 and a half to be able to do it. That's called an in-service rollover or withdrawal. With most people that reach out to me, they will usually either do that when they're over 59 and a half, or they've got an old 401k or several old 401ks from companies that they used to work for. And so they're thinking, hey, I can roll this over to an IRA, but I'd really like to buy an annuity. John, how do we do it? Can I actually do that? Yeah, absolutely. So with 401k money, 403b money, maybe you got some money at the school system, even like a TSP, any employer-sponsored account, typically you can roll it into an IRA. If it's a Roth, it'll be rolled over to a Roth IRA. And so, of course, you have the annuity contract inside of it. But what you do when you roll these things over is first we'll submit the application. Okay, the application is submitted to the carrier. And of course, the carrier will then open an IRA in your name. Okay, and then, of course, the annuity contract is sitting inside of that IRA. Now it comes time for funding. Okay, so when you need to fund an annuity, what we do, you and I will actually get on the phone. We'll actually get on the phone with your 401k provider. And with your permission, I will chat with them about your account. I'll just let them know, hey, we opened up an IRA over with this other carrier. Maybe it's Allianz or North American or whoever. And I'll let them know we are wanting to transfer funds to the new IRA. And so typically what happens then is they say, all right, well, we can initiate a transfer. Usually takes 2 to 3 business days, and we will send it over to Mr. Jones, Mrs. Jones' house. And then once you get it, I'll give you a FedEx label, and then you can just forward it straight onto the carrier. It's still a 1035 transfer, so you don't have to worry about tax consequences. There are none. But that's typically how it's done. Once it's issued, you can log in, see your money, just like anything else. Or if it's a physical policy, then we mail it. Either way, you can log in. That's important to know when you're thinking about rolling money from an employer-sponsored plan to an annuity, to an IRA with the annuity inside of it. It absolutely can be done. It's done every day, and I am an expert in it. So if you want to chat about annuities, okay, and you're wondering what your 401k can purchase for you, especially if you got maybe a TSP plan and they're pitching you a bunch of ideas for annuities over there. I'll tell you, there's much better annuities on the market. But if you are looking for just the best opportunity to have the most growth, most income, and maybe you're not looking for income, maybe you're just looking for a fixed rate of return with no market risk, you can do that too. I would encourage you though to book a call with me. There is a link below this video and it goes straight to my calendar. I'm going to basically try to force you to buy an annuity. No, of course I'm not. I will never pressure you to do anything. We all hate being sold, okay? Myself included. So I'm not going to try to sell you anything. I'm going to just show you, here is what annuities are paying. And we'll look at your age, we'll look at your state. If you want to do a joint payout, we can look at that. If you're just looking for fixed rates, we'll look at those companies too, for MIGAs, multi-year guaranteed annuities. But I'm going to show you what's best, okay? It's really about you. It's not about me, okay? I'm taken care of when I take care of other people. That's my philosophy, is if you don't take care of the client, if you're trying to just sell the client into something that pays you a high commission, you're going to be out of business pretty quick. It's my opinion. So again, go to that link and book a call, and we'll chat for about 30 minutes. You can ask me whatever questions you have. Hope you appreciate the transparency. I enjoy what I do. I enjoy working with clients like you who are looking to secure the very, very best retirement. And again, hope you like, subscribe, share the video so you can receive more of my content on a weekly basis. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.